Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to add links to Instagram story, which are swipe up links. Firstly, start your Instagram story as you normally would, either uploading an image or video or doing it directly in the Instagram app. Tap on the link icon at the top of the screen. A new screen will come up so you can add your link. Type in the URL, then tap done, or the check mark on Android. Now you should see that the image or video is linked and the hyperlink icon in the top right corner of the screen should be white. For best results, make sure you're using a specific link related to your post. Don't just send your followers to your website and leave them wandering around. You want them to do something right. You need to make it really easy for them. Once you've added your link, it's time to add a call to action. Most creators use a GIF or text that says swipe up to let viewers know they can swipe up to take action. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.